Did you know that nearly 80% of retail investors lose money in the stock market? Sounds shocking, right? But what if I told you there's a trick that could flip the script and lead you to financial success? Stick around, because today, we're diving into the Lucid stock market trick that could make you rich. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super exciting, the Lucid stock market trick. This isn't just another investing tip, it's a game changer that could help you navigate the stock market like a pro. So, if you're ready to learn how to unlock your path to financial freedom, let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's get real for a second. The stock market can be a wild ride. One day you're up, and the next, you're down. It's super volatile, and that can be really scary for new investors. Plus, let's not forget the misinformation floating around. You hear tips from friends, social media, and even celebrities, but who can you really trust? And then there's the fear of loss that keeps many people from even dipping their toes in the water. It's no wonder so many people feel overwhelmed and end up losing money instead of making it. Exploration/development. Now, let's dive into the Lucid stock market trick. So, what is it? At its core, this trick is all about clarity and strategy. Unlike traditional investing methods that can feel like throwing darts blindfolded, the Lucid stock market trick emphasizes understanding the market's patterns and your risk tolerance. It encourages you to set clear goals and stick to a well-defined plan, rather than jumping on every trend you see. One of the key principles is to do your homework, research the companies you're interested in and analyze their fundamentals. This way, you're making informed decisions rather than acting on impulse. You'll learn to see the bigger picture and not just focus on short-term gains. Climax/key moment. Here's the kicker, one of the most impactful insights from the Lucid stock market trick is the concept of patience. Yes, patience. Most people want to get rich quick, but that mindset can lead to reckless decisions. Instead, this trick teaches you to think long-term. Imagine investing in a solid company that you believe in, and instead of checking the stock price every day, you let it grow over time. This strategic approach not only reduces stress but can lead to greater rewards. By focusing on long-term investments and staying committed to your plan, you'll be in a much better position to build real wealth. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, the Lucid stock market trick encourages you to take a step back, get clear on your goals, and invest smartly. By being patient and making informed choices, you have the power to transform your financial future. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Call to action, CTA. I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Lucid stock market trick? Have you tried any strategies that helped you in your investing journey? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Check out my next video where we'll explore some of the best stocks to watch this year. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investing!